Assalamu alaikum. Is the buffer zones, aka the slave market in Libya, coming to end, or are we witnessing a new era of these? The reality is, these are not the slave market, these are NATO, CIA, torture, human subject trafficking, experimentation, where they actually medically exploit these people while they physically being traumatized, aka MK Ultra mind control. Okay, while they telling you Arabs are enslaving our Africans, it's true. There are a lot of Arabs involved in this because these are criminals. But also they have some Somalis, Ethiopians, Eritreans, and Sudanese, as I explained on my video. Please watch my video. I made an entire video voiceover on Somali girl who was asking Arabs to ride out with us.